If you're like me and use a few different indicators, the top left corner of your TradingView window probably looks like a massive unreadable block of text. Here's how to clean up your status line and get your screen space back. Right-click anywhere on the blank background of your chart and then go to the bottom and select Settings. Navigate to the Status Line tab on the left side of the menu and then scroll down. This is your control center for everything displayed in that top left corner. Look at the section labeled Indicators. Here you can uncheck the boxes for titles and then values. Watch the top left of your screen as you do this because all the messy text completely disappears, instantly giving you a much cleaner charting workspace. And here's a pro tip. You don't have to turn it all off if you don't want to. A great middle ground is to leave the titles box checked, but uncheck values. This way, you can clearly see the names of the indicators you have loaded, but it hides all the distracting numbers and mathematical inputs that you don't actually need to look at while charting. Have a great day, guys.